My name is Emily Crouch, and I am the case manager supervisor here at DPR. The client gets here, we make sure that we meet with them, they know who we are. We make sure in a certain time frame that we're reaching out to their people. Anything that they really need, we're there for it. The cool thing that DPR is doing right now is we're rolling out PHP at our Dallas facility and at the Sober Living, which has been amazing because they get to transition and kind of maybe practice what they would do after they complete treatment. And then once they get to a PHP level, that's when we're really assessing like what they need when they complete treatment. What is going to be the best program for them to continue with after they leave treatment, because aftercare is probably just as important as detox. The idea is to offer hope, maybe allow them to look in the mirror and be happy with what they see, you know, and not feel, be free, you know, like being sober is being free. You deserve it.